Hello, I'm Grant Williams from Fujifilm. Today I'm looking at the ApeosPro print driver and specifically the advanced job properties. Here in front of me you can see the basic document properties screen. Now I'm going to go to job properties and open up the advanced settings. Here we have the advanced settings screens. On the left hand tab we have favorites. You can add and remove favorites by clicking on the gear icon. So selecting one of the favorites that you'd like to add. In this case I'm going to add offset stacking. Use the arrow to send it across and select OK. Now offset stacking has been added to the favorites menu. Over here we have advanced job settings. In here we can do things like paper tray selection. So here we can select our paper tray and it reflects what's been programmed in the machine at the time. We can program inserts at the beginning, inserts at the end, or we can go to special pages. Here we can add a front cover, add a back cover, add inserts, add exception pages. So let's look at adding a front cover. In this case, do not print would mean a pre-printed front cover, or we can choose to print just on the outside of the front cover and select the paper tray that front cover is coming from. Adding exceptions we can do by page ranges, such as pages 2, 5 to 10, 12, and we could choose to force those to grayscale. You can see the job definitions being added here. Now let's add a back cover, print it on both sides, again from tray 3. And here are all our job definitions. We can use the edit button if we wish to change that. Some of the other options you can see are such as stapling and folding. So in this case I'm going to choose to staple in the top left cover, and we could choose to hole punch as well if I had that option. Here we can adjust the shift and the scaling. Under layout we can choose things such as booklet or multiple up, and that concludes a quick overview of the job properties. Thanks for tuning in.